Hi guys, good day and welcome to today on PrincessAnuTv. So we are going to be doing a room tour, like yeah. I'm going to be showing you my whole room today because this is one of my most requested videos, like to show you guys how my room looks like. And not only that, people have been asking for NCAT female hostel room tour, not just female hostel, male hostel. I'm going to do that, the male hostel. I'm going to likely do it later if I have the opportunity. If I find, yeah, I'm going to ask my friend. Yeah, I'm going to do it maybe later. But now we're going to be doing the female hostel room tour. I'm going to be showing you basic things you're going to be having in your own room. Yeah, because I've stayed in this room for 3 years. And there are some things I bought by myself, but there are some things, basic things that the school would definitely give to you. So I'm going to be showing you the ones the school will give to you, and some things you can actually buy for yourself. So it just depends. Like if you want to make your life much more comfortable, that's what I'm going to use, because some people like this in their room, some people don't like this in their room and all that. So you can kind of like buy some things to make your life more comfortable and take away some things to make your life still more comfortable. So guys, that's it. And in case you're new to this channel and you don't know me, my name is Princess Anu. I'm a student pilot, a commercial pilot license holder. Yeah, I am. And I school and train in Nigeria and in NCAT. Welcome to my room. So basically, if you've not subscribed, please do me that favor. Click on the subscribe button. Trust me, it makes me happy when I see, like, you know, when you just come on your dashboard and you see that your subscribers are increasing, like, it gives me joy. So in case you're wondering why I say subscribe, please subscribe. And yeah, don't forget the channel is all about aviation, motivation and adventure. So guys, let's dive into this. Let's look at how the NCAT female hostel room looks like. Okay, I'm going to be starting from the entrance, right from the entrance. Yeah, let's do this. Okay guys, starting from the entrance of the room, you're going to be having 2 wardrobes. This is one, this is another. You're going to be having 2 wardrobes, and you're basically going to have 2 beds because the room is actually for 2 persons. So you're going to have 2 beds, and you have 2 of this chair. This one, this another one. But for me, and you're also going to be having 2 big normal tables. So you're going to have this and another there, but mine, I actually removed mine because I needed more space in that area for filming and all that. So like I said before, you can take away some things, you can keep some things, it just depends on what you want. You're also going to be having a shoe rack, which is here for actually the 2 of you in the same room, and you're going to be having this NCAT blue table. You also see these tables in the classrooms, but you're going to be having 2. Then you will definitely have an AC. Obviously, wherever you have an AC, you definitely have a fan, because not everybody kind of like likes AC. Then concerning the carpets that you can see on the floor, my room didn't come with a carpet. It came with I was saying concerning carpets, like my room came with a blue plastic towel, which that's how all the rooms are built. It all have this there's this blue plastic towel on the floor, but I didn't really like the way it was looking, and so me and my roommate, we decided to like get a carpet instead for the room. So it depends. If you like it, you can leave it in your own room if you feel comfortable with it. If you don't like it, you can get either a carpet or anything else for you. Then in this room, there are some things I would say also that we didn't like, the school didn't give us, and some things we actually bought. Like for instance, these curtains that I have just behind me, these ones were not given by the school. These ones were bought because we wanted the color of the room, everything to just look, you know, pinkish and cool. The one I have at my back, it was the school that gave to us. Let me just give you a good highlight. Okay guys, you see this one, it was given by the school, or basically I don't know if it was given by the school, but I kind of like met it in the room. So And yeah, guys, another thing, my room happens to have a very big fridge, and this is because we got it like from a senior colleague, though it's the school's own, but not every room actually has a fridge as big as that. Some people, they basically buy their fridge, some they actually inherit their fridge from, you know, senior colleagues and all that. Oh god, this teddy's cute. So yeah, guys, another thing you're going to be having in your room is 2 chairs. You're going to be having 2 big chairs. Apart from those 2 blue chairs I showed you, you're going to be having 2 big chairs. The reason why I've not showed you that, something, I have my school bag on one, and I have a Ghana must go on the other, so I can't really show you that. So that's it. Then some things extra you're going to be buying. You're going to be buying a mirror. As you know, in a lady's room, you always have a mirror. So you're going to get in a mirror, which obviously the school is not going to give to you. You're going to be getting your buckets, your toiletries, all those other extra many, because there's always, they give a rack. Actually, if you could see from my back, let me quickly show you. There's this rack just behind me. If you can see these 2 racks, this and this one, where you can keep your stuff, anything you use, anything you need, basically, like your powder, your makeup kits, like, you know, your cream, Vaseline, all those things you basically use. You're going to be keeping it on that rack, so it's not as if they left you without anything. So those are the main things you're going to get in a standard female room: chairs, bed, mattresses, tables. What else? Nothing much. So if you want to make your life more comfortable, you can come with those your extra things, those things you know that are not are there things that are contraband, like they don't come with like pot, stove, cooker, all those things. Those are the ones that I think that are contraband. Every other thing is kind of like allowed. So guys, this is for the room tour. So guys, this is all for the female hostel room tour, and I'm going to do the guys a favor. I'm going to do a male hostel room tour. Yeah, I'm going to do that, but yeah, am I promising? I don't really know, because I have to take permission from my friend that I'm going to use his room to do that tour. So if he gives me the permission, yeah, I'm going to do that. If not, maybe till you come and see it by yourself. Don't mind me, just kidding. I'm going to try my best. So guys, that's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'm going to really love that. And my teddy is saying hi. Say hi to them. Hi. So guys, I'm going to be leaving you guys now. Do well to stay safe, be fine. So guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, be fine, live your best life, and subscribe.